Hi everybody, how are you? Autumn is here and we have all those beautiful colors, those brown leaves, those reds, those earth tones that we all most appreciate because sepia is almost always the result of our work. And so, as you may remember, some time ago I made this podcast that I called Pyrocast FunTastic Mondays. So, this was supposed to be like a snack to start the week with some ideas, and it was supposed to be fun. That's why it was called FunTastic instead of Fantastic with an A. It was supposed to be a little Monday snack. Um, I had no idea how podcasts worked at the time. I had no idea where to upload it to. Well, anyway, I had no skill in editing sounds or MP3 thumbnails or anything. So I did everything from scratch because I thought it was a fun project and it was something from me to you again, which I am very proud of. And I did 11 of them. Some people had issues listening to it. Um, Others even had issues accessing the place where I have them. And so a lot of things happened in between, and I ended up giving up on them. But I still have 11 of them, and I decided to share them here over the channel. Well, the ideas are outdated, of course. The ideas I usually gave were based on events that were for that week only. Anyway, they are ideas. Most of them are timeless, so you can still use them. And you also have this section that is um, tips and tricks that I believe has a very useful information that you all should have access to. And I'm sharing all of the 11 I've done here in the YouTube channel. If you think that this is a good idea and you would like to hear more of them, or you have some idea that I could add or change, or you can't even understand what I'm saying in the podcast or something, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you like this and I hope it helps you in any way. And so, see you soon.
Hi everybody, how was your weekend? I hope it was fantastic. So welcome to our very first Funtastic Monday, where your Mondays will never be the same again. And why? I'll tell you, because there is a whole week in front of us full of fantastic things to do. So what have you dreamed of doing today? Nothing? Not enough? Well, I'm here to help you with that. So one of the great sources of inspiration this week is the Paris Fashion Week, full of colors, new patterns, new trends for the next year, where you can get inspired, all those beautiful models, those dresses flying in the air. I'm sure you'll get very inspired by that. Another suggestion is the World Youth Day in Panama. This gives us an idea to make a portrait of our son, our daughter, our grandchildren, anyone who you love that is young, full of energy, and you will make a beautiful portrait, I'm sure about it. Also, today, the 21st January, is the National Hugging Day in the US. This is a beautiful excuse to share your love and kindness with others. It's free and a hug has a tremendous power. To hold another person in our arms is always so magical. I'm talking about a true hug here. Do it properly, okay? So now, I will leave you a couple of advices regarding any kind of work you're doing. The first one, remember that there is no one running after you, and if there is, you can tell them, hey, stop right there, I have a pyrography work to finish, so we'll get this later, okay? No, seriously, take your time, enjoy your work, feel it, connect with it. You will feel a huge difference. You know that feeling, sometimes it looks like you are not controlling your hand and it flows and everything is going just perfect. That's when you embrace, when you feel, when you connect to the work. So this is one of the things I want to tell you. And the other one is, like, there is this saying that tells less is more. In this case, less is more. So keep your temperature low and increase it as you need it. You will feel that this is very rewarding and that you don't have to always be changing temperatures. Start low and increase it if you need it. Combine this with the time that you place the tip on the wood or whatever you're burning on. This will work much better. Well, I hope this gives you an extra inspiration and an excuse to make beautiful work. I want to end this very first Pyrocast with a sentence by one of Oscar Wilde's characters. I'm sure you've all heard about him. That says that life imitates art more than art imitates life. So what do we have to do? Give life some inspiration. So let's get to work, everybody. Have a wonderful day and a great week. See you all in next Fantastic Monday casts, where your Mondays will never be the same.